Hi, welcome to 247 Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can install the bracket for AMD Threadripper TR4 CPUs for the Corsair Hydro Series H100i RGB Platinum Liquid Cooler. Let's get started with this. This is the CPU and this will go on top of it. First, we will remove this piece and this piece. We're going to insert this and this. So one side is small, one side is big. We will insert this into this again underneath and here and here. So and then this piece from the other side, and it will snap. We have these standoffs, 4 of this. These are longer one, and this is the one that has very thick and narrow, and this one is different. So will not be using this one nor this one. We will use these 4 with this. So first we will insert it. If you pay attention, one side will be fitting, the other side will not. So this fits perfectly, but if I put it on the other way, it's just loose. We will attach 4 of them here. And the 4th one will go in here. So we will tighten them with plier. Installing the 4 standoffs as I shown you. They're ready to accept the bracket. Now we just get the bracket, grab it and insert it so all the tip of the standoff are inserted into the bracket. Hold this with one hand, and then we need to use these 4 screws at the top to tighten and secure it. Now, as you can see, all of them have been secured. As you can see, the 3rd, and this is the 4th one. This is the 4th and last one. Let's just tighten that. make sure it's all secured. Now to insert the USB, first you have to remove the RAM if you have installed a RAM on this side. I'm just removing one of the modules that is close to the side of the heatsink. And here on this side, first we have to see in the USB, and this is the micro USB connector. Insert it the way that I shown you. After that, insert back the RAM that we have removed. It looks a little bent, but it perfectly fits. Make sure it's secure in its place. Just push it and you will hear it snaps in its place. Thank you for watching. This was how to install the bracket for AMD TR4 series for this Hydro series H100 IRGB Platinum. If you learned something and like it, please thumb up. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can get updates of my upcoming videos. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below.